Hello guys, it's Ali. Welcome back to another new video, and today I'm going to show you how to slice a photo in Photoshop and you can post on your Instagram feed in a professional way. So let's get into the video. Basically, if you are new in my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you will never miss my any video. Thank you so much. So this is our picture, and we want to slice this picture in three part. Okay, so what you need to do, there is a slice tool on the left corner toolbar. Click right button and select on the slice tool. Okay, so now after selecting the slice tool, we need to change the height and width. So our image height is 660 pixel, and also we will for the width the same. So this is our ratio. So now this is the slide tool, and we select the proper height and width. Now what we'll do, click any of the place and drag it like this. Yeah, so place on the left corner for the first slice. Yeah, done. And now we need the second one, so simply click and drag. Yeah, very easy. And the last one, click and drag. Yeah, so here you go, this is our three part, and now is the time to save the picture. So simply we'll click on the file and go to the save for web, choose save for web, and now select the desired format you need. For me, I will make a JPG. Yeah, so and click here optimize. Okay, so now hit on the save button. Perfect. And name your picture. So target the location. We'll go to the desktop, and there is I already create a folder named Instagram. Go inside, and don't forget to name your banner and name your picture. Hit the save button. Well, it's perfect. Okay, we are done, and let me check the folder, please. Yeah. Yep. Wow, yeah, we got our picture. So this is our picture, and we are done. This is very easy, simple, and effective, and very cool trick. Thank you so much, guys. And if you guys want this banner invitation, banner graphics template, I can help you to send you. For that, you need to do subscribe my YouTube channel, and you need to write a comment that I want it, and write your email address. Okay, mention your email address. I will send everyone, each of everyone, whoever subscribe my channel and who write the comment I want it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like my Facebook page as well, and follow my Instagram profile. Thank you so much. And this is Ivan to Element. If anyone like um, membership, or if anyone like to buy this invitation graphics template, no problem. I will place the link on the description. Thank you so much, guys. Peace. See you in the next video. Thank you.